Hey there, communication enthusiasts. We all know Telegram as a messaging app, but it's so much more. Today, we'll unlock the secrets of Telegram and show you how to go beyond basic chats and explore its hidden features that will transform your experience. Supercharged messaging. Channels and bots. Join vibrant communities with Telegram's channels, where creators share news, updates, and engage with audiences. Discover a network of helpful bots that handle everything from currency conversion to scheduling reminders, making Telegram your one-stop shop for info and tasks. Media powerhouse. Beyond text. Share more than just words. Telegram lets you send large videos and files with ease, perfect for sharing vacation memories or work documents. Explore its self-destructing messages and secret chats for added privacy, or create polls and quizzes to keep your conversations interactive. Beyond the basics. Hidden gems for power users. Organize your chats with folders and tags, personalize notifications for specific contacts, and even save messages for later access with Telegram's handy, Saved Messages, feature. Uncover hidden features like silent mode, to mute notifications without notifying the sender, and explore custom themes to personalize your Telegram experience. So, download Telegram today and unlock its hidden potential. It's more than just messaging. It's a platform for communication, community, and productivity, waiting to be explored. Share your favorite Telegram features and hidden gems in the comments below. Let's build a community of Telegram enthusiasts and discover new ways to connect and express ourselves. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more app reviews, communication tips, and tricks for making the most of Telegram.